Yeah, the head goes down.
Perfect. Wait, yeah. Okay. Now just bring the barrel back up. Okay. Put it on your shoulder. You know, hold it down.
Like this?
No. No. Up here. No. No.
You said on my shoulder.
Like that.
Oh, shit.
You just make it so comfortable.
I don't want to.
Wait. Look until it's
I don't
perfect.
want to.
You have to. Okay. Bring the safe off, which is right here. Push that up. Okay.
I like shooting it like that.
Let her shoot it like that.
Fine.
Okay. Close your left eye.
I just did.
Okay. One eye open. Sleep with one eye open. And just fine.
There's nothing.
Okay, scoot up. Scoot your head forward then. Like. Can you see anything now? You gotta get it till you can see.
Enough arms.
William's here. We gonna hide?